Ancient flood stories existed throughout the Near East, but Genesis is radically different. Other stories portray many gods, human annoyance, accidental survival, but Genesis portrays one sovereign God, moral accountability, intentional rescue, and covenant purpose. This is not chaos. This is judgment with meaning. Genesis chapter 7 verse 1 is the call to enter. Then the Lord said to Noah, "Go into the ark." Notice who speaks. Not a committee, not nature, and not fate.